Welcome back once again to another Sandwich Saturday. This one's really delicious. So we've got some barbecue sauce, some chicken. That's a roast chicken that I had left over. So you're going to need some form of, you could cook a breast chicken or something if you wanted. And I've got some cheese. I've got a nice sliced E down there. But you could use cheddar or something like that. Like I say, super easy. 1, 2, 3 ingredients, some bread. Lovely. Okay, so we've got 4 slices of bread to make 2 little toasties. Light bit of butter on the top of each one. These are the outside, so let's flip these over. That butter's just going to help it get really nice and toasty and golden brown. I like to put a bit of cheese on here first, on these 2, and then grab some of the chicken. Like I say, this was a roast chicken that I had extra. Always like to use a bit of this for a nice sandwich or something. As you can see, I've just kind of chopped it up. Now I'm going to add some barbecue sauce, just some regular barbecue sauce. What I'm using today is smoked, so you can kind of get a flavour that you want. And what I find is the trick is not to go crazy with it. Not too much. Don't go crazy. That's kind of what works better for me, but of course you could be doing what you like. But yeah, just a little dab here and there. And then what I like to do is I like to go 1 more cheese slice on there. I'll tell you what, I've got a bit of extra cheese here. I'm going 2 and a bit there. And then, okay, so top on, so it's butter side up, top on, butter side up. Let's get to our grill sandwich maker or press. So I like to have my grill on full blast, maximum heat. On it goes there. On this one goes. And I'm going to close this down and we're going to go for 3 to 4 minutes, but depending on what type of power you have from your sandwich maker or from your press. We know what we're looking for. Nice bit of golden brown. These are going to be absolutely wonderful. Okay, that's 4 minutes. Let's get in there and have a look. Oh no, I've overdone it with the cheese. They look fantastic. I'm so happy with them. Oh my God, look at that. Gooey, lovely cheese. Let me get them on the board here. Fantastic. Wow. Okay, let's cut these guys open. Okay, wonderful. Beautifully crispy, toasty. Let's have a go. Take a look in there. Oh baby, oh baby. Lovely. I mean, juicy. I might have overdone it with the cheese. Can you overdo it with the cheese? Not really, I suppose. I just added that kind of extra slice here and there. But that is a absolutely wonderful, beautiful chicken with a little bit of barbecue sauce, cheese, toasty. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. See you later.